Hey everyone, thank you for visiting our Speak English Smarter YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.
Hi Alex. Today, let's practice some very common English words we use in the present tense. An, the, do, and does. These words are small, but they are very important in daily English.
Yes, I hear these words all the time.
Me too. And many learners feel confused about them. That's okay. We'll learn slowly and practice together.
Sounds good.
Let's start with a and an. We use a and an before one thing, not many things.
One thing. Okay.
Now, don't worry about big grammar words. Just listen to the sound at the start of the word.
Okay.
We use a before words that do not sound like a, e, I, o, or u. For example, a book, a phone, a table, a morning.
A book. A phone.
Yes, if the word does not start with an a, e, I, o, or u sound, we usually say a.
That is much clearer.
Now we use an before words that sound like a, e, I, o, or u. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an alarm.
An alarm. I hear the A sound.
Exactly. We listen to the sound, not just the letter.
I set an alarm at 7.
Almost right. We say an alarm because it starts with an A sound.
I set an alarm at 7.
Perfect. Very good.
Small word, big change.
Yes, exactly. Now let's talk about the. We use the when we talk about a specific thing, something we already know.
Something specific.
Right. Let's use the same example. First, we say, I set an alarm.
Okay.
After that, we don't say an alarm again. We say the alarm because we know which alarm.
Oh.
So we say, I set an alarm at 7. Then I turn off the alarm.
Ah, okay. I turn off the alarm.
Exactly. An is for the first time. The is for the exact one we already talked about.
That makes sense now.
Great. Let's try one more.
Okay.
I make a coffee, then I drink the coffee.
First time, then specific.
Perfect understanding. Now let's move to do and does. These words help us make questions and negative sentences in the present tense.
This part is a little hard.
That's normal. Let's make it simple.
Okay.
We use do with I, you, we, they.
Do for I, you, we, they.
Good. For example, do you wake up early? Do they work on Monday?
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. Very good question.
Nice.
Now we use does with he, she, it.
Does for he, she, it.
Correct. For example, does he wake up early? Does she like tea?
Does you wake up early?
Good try. But with you, we use do, not does. So we say, do you wake up early?
Do you wake up early?
Perfect.
Okay, I see.
Now try one with does.
Does he wake up early?
Excellent. That's correct.
Yes.
Now let's look at negative sentences.
Okay.
We use do not or does not. Short forms are don't and doesn't.
Like everyday English.
Yes. For example, I don't wake up late. She doesn't like alarms.
He don't like mornings.
Almost right. With he, we say doesn't. So he doesn't like mornings.
He doesn't like mornings.
Very good.
English likes small changes.
Yes, it does. Let's practice everything together.
Okay.
Listen first. I wake up at 7. I set an alarm. I turn off the alarm. I don't wake up late.
Okay.
Now you try.
I wake up at 6. I set an alarm. I turn off the alarm. I drink a coffee.
That sounds great.
Hey.
Now ask me a question.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. Nice question.
Good.
One more. Ask about she.
Does she wake up early?
Perfect sentence.
I feel better now.
You're doing very well. Let's remember it simply. A/an, one thing, first time. The exact thing we both know. Do/does, questions and negatives.
Small words, but very important.
Exactly. Practice every day and English feels easier.
Thank you, Sarah. This really helps.
You're welcome, Alex. Keep practicing and enjoy learning English.